Hello, my dear student. Hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. And I hope that you are doing practice for the derivation as well as for the numericals. So today also we will do the numericals related to potential energy. Before starting the numerical, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. So let's start the numerical related to potential energy. Today we will discuss from your NCERT book, page number 153. This example is given 11.5. What is the question? Find the energy possessed by an object of mass 10 kilogram when it is at a height of 6 meter above the ground, and given that acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meter per second square. It is a solved example. I am just solving that. So this example is given. What is the, so how we will do? Mass of an object. What is that given? What is the mass of an object given? 10 kilogram. And what is the height to which it was raised? It was raised to 6 meter height. And what is the acceleration due to gravity value given? 9.8 meter per second square. What is the situation? From this ground, the body is raised to this height. And what is the mass of the body? 10 kilogram. And it is raised to height 6 meter. So what is the, when it will be raised? So it will store inside it its potential energy. It is not given in the question that calculate potential energy. But we know that when we will raise the body to some height, that when we will do work on it, then inside it potential energy will be stored. And what is the formula for that? mgh. Substitute the values. 10 kilogram, that is g is 9.8 and height is 6 meter. When you will solve it, you will get your answer 588 joule is the SI unit of the energy. Before substituting the values, you must check in all the numericals that they are given in SI system. If they are not given in SI system, then first you will convert the quantities into their SI system. Like this mass is given in gram. So first you will convert it into kilogram. If it is directly given in kilogram, then there is no need to change into another unit, because kilogram is the SI unit of mass. Similarly here, if it is given like in kilometer, so centimeter. So first we will convert it into meter only, because SI unit of height or distance is meter. So then your numerical will definitely be correct in exam. Now let's do the back exercise numerical, which is related to this topic, and let us do that. And it is again, I will take your NCERT book to read the statement. You can open your NCERT book, page number 158. It is given on page 158. And what other questions we have discussed already, which were related to kinetic energy. So today we will discuss the questions which are related to potential energy, and if they are related to law of conservation of energy, then we will discuss later on. So that question is question number 10. That question is question number 10. An object of mass 40 kilogram is raised to height of 5 meter above the ground. What is its potential energy? That is the first question. If the object is allowed to fall, again the next question is given. If the object is allowed to fall, find its kinetic energy when it is halfway down. That is the two questions are given in one numerical. So what is the mass of object given? Mass of object, first we have to write given quantities. It is given 40 kilogram. And to which height it is to be raised? That is given 5 meter. Here acceleration due to gravity value is not given. So we can take a bias, that is g is 10 meter per second square. Approximate value we can take. And what is the first part? Calculate potential energy. So what is the formula for potential energy? You will put mgh. All the quantities are in SI system. It is in kilogram, it is in meter, or it is in meter per second square. So there is no conversion. So it becomes 40 into 5 into 10. So you will get 2000 joule energy. Means whenever we will raise the body from this ground, whose mass is 40 kilogram, it is raised to this height, that is 5 meter. So at this point B, this is the point A, at point B, body will have potential energy, and that energy is 2000 joule. Now what is the second part of the question? What is the second part of the question? The body is allowed to fall. When you will raise it, it is at rest now. Now from here it is allowed to fall. इसको वापस गिरा दिया. It is allowed to fall. And it is asking that what is here? halfway down. What is its kinetic energy? Because when it will fall down, potential energy, body will start come in motion. From here, if you will drop this, it will come in motion. So at halfway down, it will possess kinetic energy. So he is asking what is its kinetic energy at halfway down. Halfway down, so this is 2.5 meter and this is 2.5 meter. Now what is the case? Free fall case. So by third equation of motion. Third equation of motion, because kinetic energy formula is half mv square and we are not having velocity value. So by third equation of motion of free fall. So we will calculate by that. What is that formula? V square minus u square 2gh. So V square, initially here the body is at rest, 0 square 2 into 10. And what is the halfway down height? 2.5. Because total height 5 meter. तो आधे रास्ते में कितनी हाइट होगी? 2.5. So you will get V square value 2 into 10 into 25 decimal remove. So we have got it is 50 V square है. So we will get it meter square per second square. Now what is kinetic energy formula? Half mv square. Substitute this value. That's why I have not taken square root here, because we need directly square only. So half into what is the mass? That is 40 only. Body is same. And what is V value? 50. So solve it. You will get 20 and 1000 joule. This topic later on we will do in law of conservation of energy also, but this is the way to solve the numerical. Means exactly at half the way, half of the potential energy get converted into kinetic energy. So still it is above the ground. So what is about that 1000 joule? 1000 joule is still at the potential energy at the C position. We can give it this name to C position. Means at C position it possesses both energy, kinetic as well as potential. But the question examiner is asking only kinetic. So we have calculated 1000 joule. You can calculate potential energy at C also by yourself. Put the formula mgh. What is the height from the ground? 2.5 meter. What is the mass? 40 and 10 is the gravity value. Again you will get your answer 1000 joule. So these are the different way the examiner can ask the question. So do practice for the numericals. Then only you can solve the questions in the paper by different methods also. Thank you and have a nice day.